E equals mc square. See the proof of this. It can be written like this: m equals m naught or m0 by 1 minus v square by c square. When we square them, this comes as m square is equal to m naught square by root under 1 minus b square c square of this, and when we move ahead it comes as m square 1 minus v square by c square is equal to m naught square. So this gives m square minus v square m square by c square and m0 or naught square. So further this is equal to m square c square minus v square m square is equal to m0 square c square. Now differentiating either side. So when we differentiate either side, we are going to get, this is constant, c square is constant, so constant will be out, and differentiation of this will be 2m and dm, and there comes this. So differentiation of this, once 2b square will be taken m, so 2m will be here, and when m square will be taken out, and one more thing, so dm will be with it in n2, and when m square will be taken out, then 2b and db, and again the differentiation of this part will be 0. So next there comes, and from all of this we are taking 2m common, 2m here, 2m here, m and 2 here, so remains c square dm is equal to, I am taking the minus part other side, so there comes the v square dm and plus m v dv, equation 1. This is as equation 1, and again we have there comes the work done, dw is equal to fs or ds differentiated here, and we know that the value f is equal to c. Even Einstein, which this the theory of relativity equals mc square, he proposed that his research is far ahead than the Newtonian's law, and that is perfect. For the current scenario, Newton's law was holding water, his law was everywhere prevalent. For that matter, Einstein was incomplete without using Newtonian's law here, so we could see f is equals, his Newton's law was applied in order to prove this formula. So there comes f is equal to dmv by dt, so we can further it, so m dv by dt, and again v will be out, and dm by dt. So f equals no, we will have the dw equals, and this value will be, f value will be placed at this place, so I have written it here, so here I will place it, m dv by dt and v dm by dt into ds. So there comes, so m dv ds by dt and v dm ds by dt, and we know that this value is for the velocity. So m v, and I have taken this dv out, so this will be mv and dv plus v dm into v. So dw comes, dw is equal to mv dv plus v square dm. Surprisingly, this value 1 and this 2 mark the word, so we are seeing this part I mean the RHS part and this part, both part are equal. So this and this is going to from 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have dw is equal to c square dm, and now integrating them, dw is equal to c square dm. So there comes the there comes the, after integration this is work, w is equal to c square into m, and w equal to